Hey everyone, welcome back to Reg Tag Stacking. In today's video, I want to talk about silver and how it's been performing compared to a weak dollar. And like I said in the past, previously in previous videos, I do like stacking silver as a hedge against inflation. And I just came across this article today talking about how silver has been doing compared to the weakening dollar. So yeah, stacking as a hedge against inflation isn't the only reason why I buy. I'm actually, one of the other reasons, or one of the other things that my stack acts as is like a physical savings account. But as I said previously, one of my main reasons for stacking silver is acting as that hedge against inflation. And like I said, I found this article, so I'm going to jump onto the computer and just quickly read it because it's outlining how silver is doing compared to the dollar that has been pretty weak recently. All right, so this is the article here. It's on FX Empire. I do like this site. I've seen a couple of articles from them recently. I do like reading this site here, and it says silver price daily forecast. Weak dollar pushed silver to new heights. And it says silver moved above the resistance at 28.30 and made an attempt to get to the test of the next resistance of 28.90. So continuing on down here, it says silver continues to move higher. Silver gained strong upside momentum and managed to get above the resistance at 28.30, while the US dollar found itself under strong pressure against a broad basket of currencies. Whereas say the U.S. index managed to get below the support of the 90 level, and made an attempt to settle below the next support at 89.75. In case the U.S. dollar index declines below that level, it will head towards the next support of 89.50, which will be bullish for silver and gold prices. The more you get into silver stacking and watching silver and gold and stuff like that, you'll notice that the price of gold especially, but silver and gold, is tied to the dollar. And it usually, when you see one heading in one direction, the other one is going in the opposite direction. So it just so happens that the dollar right now is on a bit of a slide, and it is good for the precious metals, in particular silver. And so I'm primarily talking about silver in this one here, but they are touching on gold. Said gold managed to move above the resistance at 1865 and is moving higher. It should be noted that gold faced resistance of 1875 back in January, and a move above this level will signal that gold is ready to gain additional upside momentum. Another thing that I keep my eye on, and I'm looking for it to get to 60, is that gold-silver ratio. It says the GSR declined below 66, but found support near 65.40. If gold-silver ratio settles below that level, it will move toward the support of 64.80, which will be bullish for silver. And like I previously said, for me trading in my silver, I am waiting for it to get to that 60 to 1 mark. And I'll be looking to pick up either, I do want, obviously I'm looking to get a 1 ounce piece of gold, whether that be a Britannia or a Maple Leaf or even a Gold Buffalo, I'm not sure, whichever I can get my hands on. But yeah, that's it's a fairly short article. I will leave a link in the description if you want to go through it. But it says here, silver managed to settle above the resistance of 28.90. It will head towards the next resistance level at 29.30. A successful test of this level will push towards the resistance of 29.85. So those are some numbers and some thresholds that you can keep an eye on and see if silver gets above that point. And so yeah, it's good to see silver, slowly moving up. For me, I'm in accumulation mode, and as much as I like that silver squeeze and everything that was going on, and I don't particularly want silver to shoot the moon. I don't want to go to 50 overnight. I'd like it to get to 50 over the next 5 years or something like that. I want a slow increase so the premiums aren't going to be crazy, and I can still continue to pick up at a decent price. And further down the line, I wouldn't mind to seeing it going to the moon up like 50 or 100. But like I said, just not tomorrow. But yeah, like as always, I will leave a link in the description if you do want to read through this whole thing. It was a fairly short article, but yeah, it just caught my eye talking about how the silver has been performing well as the dollar has been weakening. Okay, so there you go. That was the article. It's just a quick little video that I wanted to do today. This, I said this topic just caught my eye, and it's going to be interesting to see how silver performs going forward. Like I said, this article is kind of profiling what it's been doing compared to this dollar that has been weakening lately. And if that trend continues in both ways, then we shall see just how high silver can climb. But yeah, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you guys have been doing. So for me, I have been picking up silver where I can here and there, trying to get the best prices. But with talking with a lot of you in the comments and seeing some other people's stacking videos, I know that some people are completely off picking up precious metals at the moment, just until these premiums calm down. But yeah, I know it's kind of tough. It's hard to sit on the sidelines and say, I'm going to wait until everything settles down. And my biggest fear is that I'll be sitting out there on the sidelines waiting, and things just won't settle down. This, if this is the new floor, then yeah, unfortunately, this might be the prices that we're going to have to work with. But who knows? No one can tell the future. It's all speculative. We can guess to see what's going to happen with spot price and things like that, but that's all it's going to be, is a guess. But yes, of course, just like you, I can't tell the future. I don't know how everything is going to play out. But I do enjoy reading articles and trying to educate myself a little bit, just to stay ahead of the trends, or try and stay on the trends at least. But yeah, like I said, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you come back for the next one. Thank you.